A little bit, not that much you're putting. A little bit, and he beats a whole spoon.
You guys have anything else you've been doing here?
Yeah, we went to, well, we went to, I don't know, some excursion. Escarate, something, Escarate, yeah, Escarate.
I don't know. Explore.
To be fair, all the companies associated with Excaret, they have extra, well, they make the X, you have to say X. So Excaret, Explore, Chenotes.
That's what one goes to. Explore.
How was it? Because I heard not everything is open, so like something...
I think I gotta get more bang for my buck. What's that? Big girl. Prepared.
You and Sailor on board, please give it up for the one and only Sonny! And of course, I am...
Michelle!
That's his middle name! Okay. I know there are a lot of questions. So before we get there, first and foremost, your safety is super important to me. My guests have been 6 years accident-free, so please pay attention to the following. When the boat is moving, please try to avoid your movements around the station resort.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Crystal.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ashen?
Oh my God, my
How you
mind.
feeling? Scared? Myra? How you feel about the wheel tracks? No comment? Ashley, you hanging in there? You look like that.
You do look sick though. That's what I'm telling you if you want to lay on the
Oh my God.
When it goes like that, bump, that side, this side. You know what happens? You feel a little fear and that goes away. That's what happened to me.
Nah, that face right there doesn't look like
That
nothing's
doesn't
gonna
look
make
like
it
the
go
fear is
away.
gonna make it go away. The fear's not making that go away.
Listen, I know if there's a big giant fish like that in there, I know there's other big giant things in there too. I'm so hot. I really want to jump in.
Come on, you seem that
Yo, I'm waiting for the middle of the ocean to go scuba diving with the whale sharks. Mixed feelings here. Some are scared, some are strong. Ashley look like death.
He can't hit me in the tail.
But she came, she made it.
Come to me, my hat is a different.
That's all that matters.
Right? Like reality TV.
Euphoria.
Who was it, Joe Boy?
Momentarily, and should be a fascinating experience. These creatures are about 46 feet in length. They do not eat humans though, which is a good thing of being humans. And stick with it, my family tripping. Gabby, you saw that? Oh man. We about to go in the water with the whale sharks. It's an exciting moment right here. How you feeling? Excited?
A little nervous. Just a tiny bit.
Just a little time, right?
Yeah, butterflies.
It's cool.
Butterflies are good.
It's like when you get on a roller coaster for the first time. A big one. Alright, yeah, that's fine. Cool. Obvious.
It's crazy. We about to go with the middle of the ocean.
When you said this was crazy, I was thinking it's so real right now.
Crazy, right?
No, it's gonna be a song. It sounded like, you said it exactly like, it's so real right now.
Cool. So when we swim back this way?
Hold on, it's over here.
Oh, he's that way.
So remember to swim.
Okay.
Here we go, like
Where? Here?
right here.
So jump in, swim
All
sword.
right, 3, 2, 1, fight.
He's in the water, look at him. Right next to y'all.
To the left.
Look! Look in the water. He's behind y'all.
He's behind you.
Look under.
Look under.
That's what imagine. You're up.
Yeah.
Put it up on your wrist. It's recording. Go. Fresh out the water. Fish eggs all over. Tiring.
We gotta watch.
Remarkable experience though. Oh, shit. That shit is tiring, bro. Tired. That was nice though.
Wasted too much energy.